Good morning, students. Welcome back to English online classes. Today we will learn about lost and found advertisement. In this video, I'll tell you the format and as well as some information regarding lost and found advertisement. So here I have 6 steps to draft an advertisement in lost and found. And also I have one example related to lost and found advertisement. So you already know advertisement that you will be faced in your final exam and it is for 4 marks. So this video is for class CBSE 9th, CBSE 10th and class plus 1. If you want to get full marks, mean 4 marks in your final exam, then listen to me carefully. Because today we will learn about an advertisement in lost and found. Yesterday we have learnt about to-let advertisement, and in my last videos I already told you about situation vacant and situation wanted. And I hope you already know about situation vacant, situation wanted and to-let advertisement. But I'll speak again about situation vacant, situation wanted and to-let, and after that lost and found. So I'll speak little bit about situation vacant, situation wanted and to-let, and after that I'll speak more about lost and found advertisement. So first of all, what is an advertisement? Advertisement is a notice or announcement in a public medium promoting a product, service or event and a job vacancy. So there are 4 types of advertisement. The first one is situation vacant, situation wanted, to-let, and the fourth one is lost and found. In situation vacant, we offer new services. In situation wanted, we find new jobs or describe about ourselves. In to-let advertisement, we write about properties. We write about properties that we sell or purchase, whatever. Understand? In lost and found, when our document is misplaced or stolen, on that time we write our advertisement in lost. When we find a document, on that time we write our advertisement in found. Understand? In lost advertisement, you write about, like, if you lost your documents, if you find something, on that time you write your advertisement in found. Understand? Okay. So here I have some information regarding lost and found advertisement. The information is, when a document is misplaced or stolen, an advertisement needs to be placed in the newspaper. जब हमारा कोई डॉक्यूमेंट मिसप्लेस हो जाता है या चोरी हो जाता है, तो ऑन दैट टाइम वी नीड टू बी प्लेस्ड an advertisement in the newspaper. So we need to be placed an advertisement in the newspaper with the objective of to issue a duplicate certificate or to restore the item to the owner if found. So these type of announcements are made in the newspaper when there is a loss of someone's passport, mark sheets, certificates, driving license, bill or other similar documents which need to be retained legally for future use. Understand? So here I have 6 points to draft an advertisement related to lost and found. The number 1 is begin with lost or found. you have to start your sentence to use in the beginning lost or found. So in the beginning time you use lost or found when you write your first sentence. Understand? And the second one is what item lost. In the second sentence you have to describe about your item. What item lost? You have to describe about an article or item that you lost. And in the third one, in the third sentence, you have to describe the name of the object, brand, color, size and condition. And in the third sentence, you have to describe about the name of the object, brand name, color, size and condition. In the fourth one, when and where lost or found. कब आपका और कहाँ आपका कोई आइटम लॉस्ट हुई है और कहाँ और कब आपको वो आइटम मिली है. आपको मिली है तो आप अपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट फाउंड में लिखेंगे. आपको मिली है और आपकी गुम हुई है तो तब आप एडवर्टीजमेंट लॉस्ट में लिखेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? इन द फिफ्थ वन, रिवॉर्ड इफ समवन फाउंड. तो अब लास्ट सेंटेंस में लिख सकते हैं कि कोई भी उसको फाइंड करता है तो उसको रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो रिवॉर्ड इफ समवन फाउंड. कॉन्टैक्ट एड्रेस एंड मोबाइल नंबर. You must mention your address and mobile number. If they will find, after that they will be able to contact you. So you must mention contact address and mobile number. Okay, so here I have one example related to lost advertisement. So firstly, keep in your mind 3 points that I shared already. The first one is, do not extend your advertisement. You have to write in 50 words. Second one is, do not use grammar portion more. And the third one is, you put your advertisement in a box. Understand? So this example is related to lost advertisement. Here I lost my pet dog. Here he lost his pet dog. So the example is, if you have lost your pet dog, write an advertisement for the classified column of a local daily giving all necessary details. All necessary detail means आपको इसमें आपके डॉग का कलर बताना पड़ेगा या कुछ ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन जिससे ईज़िली पता लग सके और हम ईज़िली फाइंड कर सकें. सो वी मस्ट मेंशन some more details regarding your item. Understand? So here our title is lost pet. So lost a white dog. I already told you, you have to begin with lost or found. So here I lost my dog. On that time I wrote lost. So that's why I wrote lost. Lost a white dog of 3 years with long fur, brown eyes, with a red jacket dress. Name Tommy engraved on the jacket. It has been missing for 2 days. Central Park. तो इसमें उन्होंने पहले डॉग को अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब किया कि उसके लॉन्ग फर्स हैं, ब्राउन आइज़ हैं और रेड जैकेट उसने पहन रखी है विद अ रेड जैकेट ड्रेस, और उसका नेम क्या है, टॉमी है. और ये कब से मिसिंग हुआ है? 2 दिनों से. कहाँ से मिसिंग हुआ है? आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब व्हेन एंड वेयर योर आइटम लॉस्ट. सो हियर आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग इट हैज़ बीन मिसिंग फॉर 2 days Central Park. तो इसमें मैं टाइम भी बता रहा हूँ कि कब हुआ है, 2 दिन पहले लॉस्ट हुआ है और कहाँ से हुआ है, सेंट्रल पार्क से. सो एनीवन हु फाइंड्स इट काइंडली कॉन्टैक्ट मिस पूजा 26/4 कीर्ति नगर /4 कीर्ति नगर पुणे 123456 7. द पर्सन विल बी श्योरली रिवॉर्डेड. अब लास्ट सेंटेंस में उसने कहा कि वो पर्सन श्योरली रिवॉर्डेड होगा इफ he or she will find. So this video is related to an advertisement in Lost and Found. If you have any doubt regarding that, you can concern with me. Thank you so much.